Now we go for another numerical problem based on current density. The current density J bar is given by 10 cube sin theta AR in a spherical coordinate system. Find current I crossing the spherical shell of radius r equal to 0.02 meters. That is theta is 0 to pi, phi is 0 to phi. The limits are in spherical coordinate system. What are the limits? Theta is from 0 to pi and phi is 0 to 2 pi, and the current is given as J equal to 10 cube sin theta AR. In spherical coordinate system, we have to remember what are the spherical coordinate system consist of, what are the coordinates. In spherical coordinate system, r, theta, phi are the coordinates. The r is given as 0.02 meters and theta, we have to remember what are the limits of theta, that is 0 to pi, whereas phi is 0 to 2 pi, the limits. If you want to refer spherical coordinate system, go to the coordinate system video, then you can understand what is theta, what is phi, what is radius r. We already derived that current I in any surface is equal to surface integral J dot ds. The formula which we derived already, I equal to surface integral J dot ds. If you want to convert surface integral to volume integral by using divergence theorem, volume integral del dot J dv. We want I only, current passing through surface. Hence we are using this formula only. We are not using this one. Okay. The del operator del J equal to dou Jx by dou x Ax plus dou Jy by dou y Ay plus dou Jz by dou z Az. This is the del J, del operator on any vector. In spherical coordinate system, what is DSR? DSR's the differential surface area in r direction is given by r square sin theta d theta d phi AR. In spherical coordinate system, DSR, we have to remember the DSR is given by r square sin theta d theta d phi AR. This formula we have to remember. In spherical coordinate system, what is differential surface? In Cartesian coordinate system, ds is given as dx dy dz. Dx dy dz are the coordinates in the differential surface area in spherical coordinate system is given by in r direction is r square sin theta d phi AR. Similar to Cartesian is ds is given by dx dy dz. Now we are substituting this in this formula, that is current I is given by the current I equal to surface integral J dot ds, that is J bar is given as sin theta 10 cube sin theta, AR is given as J bar. This already given, they given that this one. In AR direction, what is the ds in AR direction is given by r square sin theta d phi AR. It is AR. You can write here, it is a dot product. Now the dot product of AR dot AR, this is AR and this is AR. AR dot AR is 1. Hence we can write surface integral 10 cube r square sin square theta, because sin theta also there, sin theta is there, d theta d phi AR dot AR. AR dot AR becomes 1. Hence we can write surface integral 10 cube sin square theta r square d theta d phi. The given radius is 0.02 meters. We are substituting the limit here. Now surface integral, the surface integral we are substituting here. Surface integral 10 cube r square, in the place of r square we are substituted 0.02 square sin square theta d phi. Finally 0.02 square gives us 0.4 into 10 cube. Finally this answer is 0.4 sin square theta d phi. Now 0.4 comes to constant side of integration. Now the limits we have to apply, 0 to theta is equal to 0 to pi and phi equal to 0 to 2 pi, the limits of in spherical coordinate system sin square theta d phi. Now we are applying the integration for this. 0.4, that is 0.4 integral 0 to pi sin square theta d theta into integral 0 to 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi d phi. That is, the integration of sin square theta is 1 by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta, the integration. After that, we have to apply the limits. After applying all the limits, what we can get is 3.8752 amperes is the answer. How to apply the integration? Here we have to see 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta and 0.42 pi. The d phi integration is phi, and applying the limits are 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi here, 2 pi we can write here. After that, we can write pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin 2 theta by 2, that is 0.42 pi, pi minus 1 by 2. If you apply the limit, you can get finally answer 3.8752 ampere. This is the current flowing through surface area. Given current density J bar is 10 square 10 cube sin theta square d theta. Like this, we have to do numerical problem. For this, what we have to remember is the ds in AR direction, and what is the formula current, how to calculate surface integral J dot ds. Surface integral J dot ds we have to remember.